Welcome back to Ocean Chan Freediving. My name is Manny, and a happy new year to all of you. Now, one of the best ways to dive is from a boat. Most of the sites I've been to so far have been shore dives. I've used the sea kayak to reach a few remote dive sites, but it is an awesome experience to have a real boat to access deeper water. One weekend, my friends and I decided to hire a boat around Pittwater, which is north of Sydney. Unfortunately, just last week, a seaplane crashed nearby from here and 6 lives were lost. The rescue and recovery divers took several days to recover the bodies in the wreck, as this bay is notorious for bad visibility. During this cruise, I decided to drop a line down and check out what was below. The water is extremely murky here due to the protected nature of the bay and the muddy sea floor. I've also started wearing my summer gear as the water is now warmed up. So for my top, I'm wearing this rash shirt, a long sleeve rash shirt to keep me protected, and there is a bit of warmth retained in this. And I'm also wearing just normal board shorts. I'm still wearing my dive gloves so that if I need to hang on to anything or hold on to rocks, I've got the protection right there. I'll run you through this dive and guide you through diving a standard line and doing a 10-meter dive. You can see the floaters here, and it is attached to the boat. A weight is attached to the bottom of the line, so it sinks. Before you dive, you want to stay relaxed. Take your time and don't hyperventilate. Just gently breathe, and then on the last one big breath and duck dive in. Equalize every 3 or so meters to keep the pressure out of your ear canal and sinus, and just follow the line. Gently kick your way down and stop if you aren't able to equalize. The viz here is probably around 1 meter. I couldn't even see my hand with my arm outstretched. It's important you stick to the line in place like this so you don't get disorientated. I've attached a tennis ball to the line to mark the end of the rope. This way, I don't collide with the bottom. When it's time to go up, follow the line. I know by this time there's a massive urge to breathe, but keep that air in until you surface. The return is the most dangerous part of freediving. It's when your oxygen levels are the lowest and the chance of a blackout is high. Don't exert yourself more than normal, just gently kick up. And don't equalize when you're going up, otherwise you'll cause damage to your sinus and ear canal. When you surface, make sure you follow safety procedures. I urge you all to look up what recovery breathing is. So here are my stats: 10.8 meters and a short 1 meter dive. If you have just begun freediving, try and find a place with better visibility. It's hard to stay relaxed in a place with murky water. If you ever get a chance to go freediving from a boat, I highly recommend it. So that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. I'll come back next time with some more freediving tips. So in the meantime, stay safe and I'll see you next dive.